Hey, come make dinner with me. Who's got 2 thumbs and doesn't want to spend a long time cooking dinner today? This gal right here. I have had a week. I am tired. Everybody's hungry. We're just gonna keep it simple today. I want to get it on the table in 30 minutes. Let's see what we can do about that. I got a bonus because it's 1 pot, which means barely any dishes. Win-win.
Who would you die for? Who would you lie for? This ain't the Bible. 'Cause I got a rifle. Don't ever fuck with me. 'Cause I got enemies. Nobody's there for me. So Father, forgive me for you know that I'm always in it. I take no vengeance, party in with liquor, fucking got my system. Excuse my language, doesn't hang up on how shitty I be feeling. I'm sorry I feel no attraction to none of these men and women. 'Cause I've been so low for so long. Yeah. 'Cause I've been so low for so long. Yeah. Who do you ride for? Who do you cry for? It's now or never. Gotta keep it together. Oh Lord, it's taking over me. 'Cause I got enemies.
Now I know what you're thinking. Jessica, this is Hamburger Helper. And it kind of is, I guess, but it doesn't come out of a box, and I can pronounce every single thing that's in it. Except Worcestershire sauce.